Hello kids! Today we will learn different kinds of buildings and places around us. So let's begin. School. A school is an institution where instruction is given. Hospital. A hospital is an institution providing medical and surgical treatment and nursing care for sick or injured people. Police station. A police department serves communities by keeping people safe. Fire station. The headquarters of a fire brigade where fire engines and other equipment are housed. Airport. An airport is a place where airplanes can land or take off. Shopping mall. A very large building containing a lot of stores and restaurants, usually with space outside for parking. Bank. A bank is a financial institution that is licensed to accept checking and saving deposits and make loans. Movie theater. A theater where films are shown for public entertainment. Amusement park. An amusement park that features various attractions such as rides and games. Museum. A building in which objects of historical, scientific, artistic, or cultural interest are stored and exhibited. Zoo. A facility where wild animals are kept especially for public exhibition. Grocery store. A shop that sells food and small things that are often needed in the home. Restaurant. A place where people pay to sit and eat meals that are cooked and served on the premises. Aquarium park. A park where a collection of water animals and plants is kept for study, conservation, and public exhibition. Library. A place set apart to contain books, periodicals, and other material for reading, viewing, listening, study, or reference. Water park. A large outdoor area with swimming pools, water slides, and similar amusements. Gym. A place or club where you can go to exercise using machines, weights, and other equipment. Stadium. floats down with tiers of seats for spectators. Hotel. An establishment providing accommodation, meals, and other services for travelers and tourists. Park. A large public garden or area of land used for recreation. Pet store. A shop that sells animals kept as domestic pets and products for caring and feeding them. Dental clinic. A place where a dentist performs oral health treatments and dental procedures. Bake shop. A place where bread and cakes are made or sold. Bookstore. A shop where books are sold. Auto repair shop. A shop where automobiles are repaired by auto mechanics and technicians. Train station. A place on a railway line where trains regularly stop so that passengers can get on or off. Toy store. A toy store is a type of retail business specializing in selling toys. Circus. An area often covered by a tent and used for variety shows, usually including feats of physical skill, wild animal acts, and performance by clowns. Salon. An establishment where a hairdresser, beautician, or couturier conducts trade. Office building. A building containing the offices of one or more companies. A building. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.